This poem honors Fred Hampton not as a threat, but as an activist whose politics started with the dignity of food. Breakfast Before Daybreak for Fred Hampton. Chicago dawns, still gray and whispering. A kettle sings in a church basement. Oats thicken into prophecy. You can build a coalition out of hunger if you season it with respect. Young lords, Appalachian whites, Blackstone Rangers, learning peace, rainbow stitched from unlikely cloth. Fred was 20, going on elder. His voice had the timbre of a marching line rounding a corner. He talked like a carpenter, everything measured to fit people. Dental clinics and daycare. Political education chalked on board. He flipped the script, taught poor folks they weren't the problem. They were the solution with shoes on. If you dare to struggle, you dare to win. He said it like a recipe, then served it with pancakes to children whose fathers were missing or jailed. Power had him and panicked. Panic wears a badge when threatened. Night became a warrant. Sleep became a target. They turned an apartment into a firing range. Punctuation of bullets where commas should have been. His breath ended mid-sentence. But his sentence did not end. It became graffiti, curriculum, a rumor that won't die. We can feed ourselves and govern ourselves. We can defend the block with love that doesn't flinch. So hear me, city of big shoulders. Every free breakfast is a memorial. Every tenant union, a eulogy that refuses funerals. Say his name between spoonfuls. Build coalitions that make power stutter. Imagine a country where the police fear hunger more than hope. Then flip it. Make hope the most organized thing on the block.